Good to be with you, everybody. I'm Ceci Gutierrez with your local weather report from the One News Weather Center. It is brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealer, Toyota. Let's go places. Let's begin with a quick look at your headlines across the area. Yes, we do have some fabulous weather ahead, but also overnight tonight and into this Wednesday, bit of an unsettled scenario. Last night we had a cold front push through the region, therefore we have breezy and chilly temperatures and that slight chance of rain overnight tonight through this Wednesday. But then as we head into Thursday, through the rest of the extended forecast, beautiful weather is expected, and yes, even through the weekend on Sunday, Mother's Day. Here's a quick look at the temperatures during the past 24 hours. The high registering at in the mid-60s and not that far off from where we should be, which should be around 69, and the sun setting at 8:15 this evening. Here's a quick look across Moses Lake. Similar conditions, temperatures topped out in the mid-60s, the low registering 46. Quick peek outside your door with overall dry conditions with temperatures in the mid to lower 60s and that wind out of the west 15 miles per hour gusting a bit stronger. Let's take a quick look at the conditions overnight tonight. We notice some precipitation pushing through the area. Cannot rule out some mixed scenario along the area mountains and extreme northern points of the Idaho Panhandle. Mostly cloudy skies as we head into this Thursday, but overall a drier air mass expected to continue to filter into place, especially as we head into this Friday, wrapping up this work week with dry conditions. Mostly sunny skies for this Wednesday afternoon expected from Yakima through the Tri-Cities area. A bit of a cloud cover scenario confined to the northwest. Here's a closer look across the basin for this Wednesday afternoon. We're expecting for dry conditions, beautiful weather expected late in the day with partly to mostly sunny skies, and these readings in the mid to upper 60s. Your extended forecast looking fantastic, especially as we head into this Thursday through the weekend. Sunday, Mother's Day, temperatures topping out around 81. Saturday also enjoying these above average temperatures. Bit of a bump on the road as we head into Monday with a slight chance of showers and temperatures expected to head back into the mid-70s, still remaining a few degrees above normal. This segment brought to you by your Bud Clary Toyota dealer, Toyota. Let's go places. We'll be right back with sports.